In the Margam, as we proceed, the first piece is, as you all know, after the Pushpanjali, or if you don't do the Pushpanjali, it is the Alaripu. The Alaripu, normally you've already in your undergraduation learned in the various cycles. There are a lot of possibilities. People do Panchanada Alaripus, people do all different kinds of Alaripus. Now, what is an Alaripu? Basically, how many? It just has tam, dit, tam, kita, taka, tai, tat, tai. It's basically these many bowls. How you arrange it, what you do is totally your take. You don't add to these bowls. These are the bowls which are there, whether it is Tisram, Misram, Khandam, Chadusram, whatever it is. So, as an exercise, supposing you take the Tisra Alaripu, can you tell me 3 speeds of the Tisra Alaripu? First, how many avartanams were there? First speed? वो सब छोड़ो, आवर्तन कणक है asking. I'm not asking movement at all. 4. Tam, de, tam, kitata tai, ta, tai, kitata tam, de, tam, tai, tat, tai. वो क्यों देख रहे हो? आई एम सीकिंग द फॉर्मेट में कितने आवर्तनम है? 4 ही आवर्तनम है ना, 4 आवर्तनम्स. एंड 1 beat, 1 आवर्तनम इज हाउ मच? 4 into 4?
12. 16.
3 into 4, sorry. 3 into 4? 4 into 4 is not. So, 3 into 4 is 12. So, you basically have 24 to play around with. Now, how is 24, how can you divide it? What other ways? Right now it's 3, 3, 3, 3 only. How else can you divide it? Using, of course, the jatis. That becomes the Chatusra Nadalaripu. Supposing you were using cross. Pure one jati you have been doing. So that is not now the exercise. Exercise is to break away from that and see what else can be worked.
If you have, just for calculation sake, Chatushram plus Khandam plus Mishram plus Sankirtan is 24. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. It's 9 plus 7. 26. 26. 25. So then Tishram, Khandam, Sankirtan. Tishram plus
16 का हिसाब बताओ ना.
24 का ना.
24 तो अक्षरम हो गया ना. 16 का बताओ. 16 का है ना. साइकिल तो आपका 16 का ही है. 12 सॉरी 12 या 24 होता है ना. फिर 26 तो है ही नहीं. 12
So Khandam plus Mishram is 1.
खंडम प्लस मिश्रम.
5 plus 7.
ओके, खंडम प्लस मिश्रम इज 1. करेक्ट.
7 plus 5.
12 ना.
Mishram.
खंडम प्लस मिश्रम.
और
खंडम प्लस मिश्रम है तो
Cinnamon तक Mishram.
खंडम प्लस मिश्रम है तो हाउ विल इट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, हाउ विल यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दी बोल्स, वील हैव टू सी, है ना. 5 and 7 का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसे होगा. तक तकिट तक दिम्मी तकिट तक, ये सेकंड स्पीड हुआ. त क दे अब इसको आपको बोल बिठाने पड़ेंगे. तक तकिट. इसको रहने दो, ताड़म रहने दो. बोल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो. किड़तक तई तत्त तई तय्युम त ताम किटतक. इतना ही है आपके पास. किट तक 4 हो जाता है आपका. सो मिश्रम का 4 वहाँ चला जाएगा. सो तकिट तक तकिट तक दिमी ता तई तय्युम तत्ताम ता की ट ता क ता तई तय्युम ता ताम ता ताम. सो ता की ट ता क. One say takit tak, the other say tatte tayu. That's how you can match. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. नहीं, उसके साथ बोलना. तब तू जल्दी क्यों बोल रही है.
1 2 3 start.
किट तक त तई तय्युम त ताम त ताम तकिट तक त कीट तक दिम्मी. किट तक, that is 4. So you need 3 now, na. Ta तई तय्युम tat ताम, वहाँ तक ठीक है. Now you need तकिट तक दिम्मी. बोल तो वही है ना.
But how to
किट तक किट तक Actually, what you should do is, in the fast speed, you should do it. Then stretch it.
Okay, so if you try it with the second speed.
Takit tak. What you are going? Takit takit tak dimmi. Takit takit tak dimmi. एक बोलो, दूसरा बोल बिठाओ. तत्तई तय्युम. तत्तई ई तय्युम बोल रहे हो ना.
तो ताम फिर उसमें आ जाए. तत्तई तय्युम तत्ताम. हाँ, तत्तई तै धुम तत् ताम किट तक तत् तै तत् तै तै धुम तत् ताम किट तक तत् तै तत् किट तक
तक्किट तक्क तक्किट तक्क दिम्मी Say the jati as she's saying it. 1, 2, 3, 4. तक दिम में पहले बोलो क्या है? किट तक हो गया ना? किट तक 1 वीच ओवर. किट तक. So now you have 1 1. That's all you have ना. एक आवर्तन में आ रहा है ना. तक किट तक no sorry. तक किट तक दिन में 2 आवर्तन में आ रहा है. So then one weech is finished. So you have 1 आवर्तनम and half. 1 1. So 1 2 3 1. That's all you have. So in that it is takkita takkita. So tattai tayyum takkita takka tattayyi tayyum tattayyi tayyum takkita takka tattayyi tayyum. Takkita you have tatam. Tatam. Tattaham. So tattayyi tayyum tattaham kitta takka tayyum tattaham kitta takka tattayyi tayyum tattaham kitta takka tayyum tattaham kitta takka. अब इसको स्ट्रेच कैसे करें? ताम ताम दे ताम दित्ताम है ना. फिर से बोलो फास्ट. तत्तय्यी है ना. तत्तय्यी तय्युम तत्तय्यी तय्युम. सो ताम ताहम नहीं है. नहीं ताहम दित्ताम नहीं है ना. तत्तय्यी सेकंड स्पीड करो पहले. ताहम दित्ताहम किट तक ऐसे आएगा ना. सेकंड स्पीड. So it will come in four talams. So you will have tak ta ki ta ka ta ki ta ka de mi. Tam de taam ki ta ka taam. हाँ फर्स्ट में तुमने गैप दिया ही नहीं है ना. थर्ड स्पीड बोलो. तत्तय्यी है ना. तत्तय्यी. ता and तै coming simultaneous, isn't it? तत्तय्यी. So second speed में कैसे आ रहा है? ता का ता की ता है ना. So ताम दे ए आएगा ना. दे ताम दे ताम ता की ता ता तक की ता का दे मी. See, that's what it has to be written. Now we come to the notation. Supposing you have the third speed. you notate the third speed. Easily the second speed and first speed can be notated. Just multiply, keep multiplying the gaps. And it becomes, जहाँ पे 2 गैप है वहाँ 4 गैप हो जाएंगे, जहाँ पे 4 गैप है वहाँ 8 गैप हो जाएंगे. So automatically writing becomes, I am only telling you the process. बाकी सब practice से ही आता है. Nobody can create a Alaripu and create it on stage and do it. It's all a question of classroom working, workshopping. This is the technique. First decipher the Tala cycle, then fit how many you want to put in, how do you want to split it up. So if it is taka takita, not necessarily that you place it as taka takita. You can place it as takita taka. Now how did we do it? Takita taka. So another format which we have worked out, I will just share, which is basically 3, 4, 5. The same.
3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5.
So sounds beautiful. Ta, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, नहीं, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, क्या था? De, tam, ta, ki, ta, correct. Tam, de. So you can even give 3 beats. You see,
Because
when you
it's
distribute it, it's 3. Tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka.
So takita taka is 5 anyway. So dhi and ta is 4.
4. So 3, 4 and 5. So the distribution then becomes, when you do the third speed and all, you can do it effectively, come back to Tisram only. But you're saying the 3, 4, 5. Tam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam. De, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, taka, tei, ta, tei, ta, ki, ta, taka, tam. Then whatever variations you want to do in the mandi adavu and all, that is left to you. जो भी आपके ताला साइकिल में आता है, that you do.
So even in the mandi adavu, if you have split it up as suppose 3, 4 and 5, so even later on should you maintain the same
Ideally.
3, 4 and 5 splits?
Ideally.
Adavu.
Or reverse it. It could even be 5, 4, 3. That also works. Tam, dit, tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita tam, dit tam, takita takate, tatte, takita takatam. 5 into 4, 4 into 4, 3 into 4. That becomes, it comes in the full tala cycle.
4 avartas of 12.
वो करके बताओ.
The mandi adavus.
1, 2, 3, 4. Tam, dit, tam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tam, dit. Start it from the tam, dit, tam. Takita takate. Tatte, takita takatam. 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 So multiples of that only. So instead of doing like 3, 4, 5, you've done 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3. So it's the same kanakku which is being multiplied. So it's an interesting exercise to actually see how you, now that also needs a certain thing of how to notate, and from that notation how you actually decipher the second speed and third speed, which also needs to be worked out for yourselves, because that for people who've learnt music know how to notate it according to the tala cycle. Like in Adi Talam you do it as 4, 4, then bar, because it becomes the half, then another 4, then 1 bar, then another 4 and double bar. So how the tala cycle goes, how many laghus and how many dhrutams. So of course that you all know how to write. So in the same way you must be able to write and distribute the Alaripu segments, so that you are able to finally arrive at all 3 speeds, to be able to say all the 3 speeds in and of course the ending again you play around with. In this particular one it is ta hatta jam tari ta ta di karatakataragadum ta ta hatta jam tari tai ta di karatakataragadum talankuta karatakataragadum talankuta karatakataragadum talankuta karatakataragadum dirakatakataka 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 dirakatakataka. Whatever, this depends on the capacity and how much the artists want to make it complicated or keep it still simple. So that's just the discretion of the, but the format is exactly the same. You don't play around with the format. All the adavus follow the same pattern. It just arithmetically makes it more challenging, and how interesting you can make it for you want to say the 3 speeds again? So normally what we do is, for a reference point we start saying the Tisra Alaripu only. Ta, tai, tayyum, ta, tam, kitataka, ta, tai, tam, de, tam, tari, kitataka,
Tai, tam, de, tam, tari, kitataka, tam.
de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, ta, tai, ta, ki, ta, ka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, ta, tai, ta, ki, ta, ka, tam,
De, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, ta, tai, ta, ki, ta, tam.
de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, eta, tai, ta, ki, ta, ka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, ta, tai, ta, ki, ta, ka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, ta, tai, ta, ki, ta, ka, tam, de, tam, ta, ki, ta, ka, tai, eta, tai, ta, ki, ta, ka, tam. ठीक है? Any doubts on this?
Other than the Sholya tam, any other Sholya which are used in Alaripu?
No. Alaripu as a format, if you want to retain the format of Alaripu, you cannot use anything else. But nowadays what has happened is, Alaripu as a structure is used to depict something else. Like many years back, when my own teacher Srimati Jamuna Krishnan was doing a whole thing on Surdas, she still didn't want to break away from the Margam. She was doing a Surdas Varnam. So she wanted to see how she could address the Alaripu in some form of Krishna. So she did a flute Alaripu. So all the movements were, the bowl was a simple Alaripu bowl, but all the movements were of the Bansuri. So there have been improvisations like that, where the Alaripu bowls are used, but you concept on a concept used, because the bowl in 3 speeds is so nice that you want to use it for something else and see how it can be worked out. So I guess these are possible now. Earlier on, of course, it was maybe not possible, but now I think it gives you the freedom to kind of improvise even the Alaripu as a piece. And of course, Alaripu, we've done it as a group, and it's very interesting because as it is, it already has lines. So to exploring, and then all the static position we used at movement. So it created, one was, we kept some people in the center as the pivots, and the others were spinning around or either moving around or turning around. So it created a different kind of a abstract pattern. We didn't do it with an idea of any concept. We did it just exploring space and body. So then it created a completely different, so Alaripu can also be used, but as long as in the group, as we always say, it should not be one multiplied by so many and like a classroom just dancing, sitting and just dancing, not like that. But you have to think of ways of addressing it in a, if you want to kind of address it differently, you must think of ways of doing it and then kind of, you know, embark on. So there's lots that can be done even with the first basic format of an Alaripu, which we sometimes eliminate as kya Alaripu, how boring. But I think even within that, one can think of doing a lot.
There's a lot of rhythmic possibilities.
Rhythmic possibility, and also as an exercise for you, you know, to challenge yourselves. Maybe you don't perform it, but you know, even to the exercise you did now, for example, that's wonderful to even in your free time to engage yourself and put yourself through, because I've always seen great masters never keeping their head blank. No, there is always some arithmetic that is going in the head, something challenging that they keep doing to their brains to keep it sharp and you know, abreast and aware. So I think that sharpness comes out of giving yourself these kinds of exercises and seeing how you can kind of play around with, makes you more you know, adept at putting together things. Any other questions on this? So, you know, in a contemporary kind of a thing, I have even seen the Alaripu being used to just do abstract themes and concepts, and I myself have used it in a production where I've used it as a walk, just as a walk, you know. So, not doing the Alaripu as an Alaripu, but using the shoulder of the Alaripu in order to do a different kind of a walk of a heroine. So I guess those kinds of techniques everybody picks up bowls and uses as and when you want, and it's when you break away from the Margam, then obviously, you know, you have the freedom to use any of these things in any other format, but intelligently put together can work. And we are nobody to judge as to what should be done and what should not be done, but many times I feel if you are using the Alaripu as part of the Margam, then it is better to keep it the way it is and do full justice to it. And of course, if you are breaking away from the Margam, then you know it's your own choice, and you can take it to any place where you want to take it. So, but only thing is, whatever you do, I think the Auchitam or the aesthetic quality, again we come back to that, has to be maintained for very high order, because in this there are those shoulder movements which can be very tricky, because a little of that extra and it can be very almost obscene. So it has to be exactly neither less nor more. It's a delicate balance that the shoulder move, because shoulder also involves the chest. So you know, there is that, it can easily become this, and you know, then it becomes a bit of a Bollywood variety. So one has to be very careful while teaching, while performing, because after all the body cannot be ignored also. The decorum and the dignity can never be compromised in the classical format. So that dignity has always got to be the foremost when whatever we do. So these subtle movements, where they can look very beautiful and decorative, can also at the same time look extremely vulgar and cheap, to say the least. So it's walking very carefully between lines. So one has to be. Can we do the namaskar? Thank you.
Thank you.